yeah, I know I haven't said hi in this vlog yet. Like, I wasn't planning to actually film today. Yeah, but however, I just saw the aesthetics of this mall nice, so like that's why I'm filming. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can like hear me clearly or not because it actually is a bit like, I mean, it's like quite noisy here. Yeah, so I am currently up here eating alone, and I'm gonna show you guys that it's actually okay to actually do stuff alone, and just don't worry too much about what other people think. Like, see, look here, like I'm here filming and I'm just here talking to camera, and like, yeah, nobody here like really cares. But yeah, I did see people looking at me, well, a bit, but mostly most people don't actually care. So guys, just don't be like too bothered by by other people, especially if you want to like start a YouTube channel. Like, you know, you mentally like gotta like stop caring what other people think. Like, I understand that like when it comes to vlogging in public, like at first like it can actually be hard because I actually do feel shy to vlog in public sometimes, but I believe I'm getting better. So yeah, so anyways, yeah, thank you so much for watching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.